And so, Sandra, when you sum it all up, it comes down to a lot of fun and a lot of money for the local community. Thanks so much.
Leah Gabriel's like the only one I know who can just casually toss around. Yeah, you know, the F-18, the one I used to fly.
You know, one
so cool, Leah.
A really cool thing about the American Air Power Museum, maybe Leah can tell us if they still do this, but they used to actually be able to go up and fly in these vintage airplanes. They would do a thing where they'd have a briefing with you, and then you'd go up and fly around Long Island.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
All right.
I had
Well, a lot of people are going to be out there.
one time, but I didn't fly it. Just so you know, I don't know how to do
All right.
that.
Well, many thanks to Leah Gabriel, live for us out on the ground. Having a lot of fun, too, I hope.